Hey guys, it's Joe Frassico. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Today we have here is a 2016 Cadillac SRX. This thing came in on a rollback. Guy left his key on too long and now the vehicle won't start. It does recognize the key. We tried programming it. That's all good. There's an issue with the PCM relay. This one here. No, not that one. That one. This one here does not have ground, and that gets its ground from G101, which is right here in this wiring harness, and then there's G102 right here, which is on the other end. So what we found is there's a short and a break, like the horn isn't working, lights aren't working, there's a bunch of stuff that just isn't working because this is the main grounds plural. See it, this one here, I did that, I chewed the end up trying to look inside for corrosion, but when we pulled this harness apart, this is your main ground breakout basically. And when we pulled this loom off, if you look closely, they're all wet. The inside of this loom is wet, so we're gonna take and rip this apart and give everything grounds again and get it back on the road. There is like literally zero information on this on Identifix. So I hope this video helps, and don't forget to like and subscribe.